Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's enter settings and go to security and privacy. Now enter screen lock and passwords and set screen lock. Right here you've got first method of screen lock, which is 6-digit PIN. Now let's use it to unlock the phone, and let's set up 4-digit PIN. Now let's go to custom PIN. And pattern. Last unlock method is password. Once it's done, we can set up face unlock. But let me just select pattern again because it's faster. So let's go back and go to face unlock. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last way to unlock the phone is fingerprint ID. And our fingerprint sensor is right here. So let's scan the fingerprint. And let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.